Welcome to Flex Elite Fitness, Joe's Gym. I offer comprehensive workouts for your beginners, intermediate people who have been in the gym before and want to come back. I offer privacy. I offer one-on-one personable workouts that fit and tailor to what you need. I think the industry should focus on health more so than just the superficial look. The look will be the bonus, but the getting the blood work and a healthier, positive, better sense of life, better quality of life is where we be at with me. I've been doing this for over 20 plus years, but I've actually had my own business here at this gym for the past 4.5 years. So I'm more of a personable trainer. I listen to you, I pay attention to detail, and I design your workout according to what you're looking for. People should choose me if they don't want to waste their money. I will not allow you to waste your money. I'll hold you accountable. You can reach me at Flex Elite Fitness on Instagram, Flex Elite Fitness on Facebook and TikTok, or you can reach me at josephthetrainer.com. Y'all come check me out at Nova Star Dance Company Small Business Mixer. See you there.